So my 10 years at Blickman, I've talked to hundreds of breweries, brewers all over the country, all over the world. We deal with electric brew houses. And throughout that time, there's one commonality. They don't like the heating elements. They don't like to clean them. They don't like the maintenance. They don't like having to fill the vessel to cover the heating elements to turn it on. Inevitably, there are accidents where you leave them on. There's just always been some problems with the way all electric systems are done. We wanted to change that. And so what's different about our Pro Surface is that we move those heating elements into the bottom. So if you're looking at the amount of time you're going to save with the Pro Surface, if you're not cleaning those heating elements and you save a half-hour brew day and you brew 140 times a year, so 2 to 3 times a week, that's about 72 hours a year, which is almost a couple weeks worth of time. If you had a couple weeks worth of time, I mean, I guess you could take vacation. Our systems have always been reliable, but by moving this heating element underneath the kettle, you're not gonna have to worry about it for years and years. So we're really excited about that, and I know that takes one more stressor off of your plate as a small business owner. We always get the question, what's the smallest batch size you can do? When your heating elements are built into the bottom, there isn't a smallest size. It's gonna heat no matter what. If you put a gallon in there, it's gonna heat the gallon. That'll go pretty quick, but it's gonna heat it. The nice thing about the Surface and what we've done is we've built in a feature so that if the heating element gets up to a certain temperature, it'll automatically shut off, so a safety shut off. And then it's gonna stay off until you come back and push a button on that control panel. So let's say you go home on a Friday for the weekend and you forget your heating elements on. What's gonna happen is our system is gonna shut those heating elements off before they ever cause any sort of damage. And then they're not gonna come back on. It's not an on-off thing. So they're gonna stay off all weekend until you come back into that brewery. And when you come back into that brewery, you've got to hit the reset button to turn them back on. So that's a huge safety feature that we absolutely love, and I know that's gonna give a lot of our brewers peace of mind that they don't have. And really, you can't get that from any other system. So in today's world, when you're looking for a brew house, specifically an electric brew house, there's a lot of used equipment out there. And we see a lot of customers go with used equipment, and I understand, as a small business owner, I understand the cost savings and the importance of that. When you buy a used system, you don't know what problems you're gonna run into. You don't know from an installation standpoint is everything you need coming with the system. And then reliability, how long is it gonna work? Where do I get replacement parts? There's a lot of things that you've got to worry about. And so, it's one of those things where you have to weigh your options. It might be worth it for the cost savings, and I certainly understand that. With our system, specifically the Pro Surface, we take that out of the equation. These heating elements aren't gonna need to be replaced. They're gonna last you for years and years, and you don't have to worry about it. We're here to support it. We've got parts in stock should you ever have a problem, but we're also just a phone call away. If you have a question, we're here to help.